In this video, we will be replacing the battery from a 2014 Hyundai Sonata key fob. Some other Hyundai models such as Elantra and Veloster uses the same key design. So the only tool that is needed for this task is a flathead screwdriver. We will need a regular CR2032 battery that is readily available everywhere. I have included a link below for the battery. The first step is to open the case. Just put the screwdriver in the slot and gently twist it. Now gently pry open the case. Next, push the battery out of its slot. You may have to use a little force to pull out the battery because of these springs. There is a small plus sign here indicating that the positive side of the battery goes up. Get a fresh battery and put the battery into the slot. Again, the positive side is on top. The last step is to put the two halves back and gently squeeze them in place. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.